This week on Strokecast, I talk with Malia and Carrie Wilkinson and Peter and Rhea Evans about the progress we've made in post-stroke life.
Stretching myself mentally has helped me out a lot. So it's weird to think that doing 3D printing might help my social interactions, but it does, because it's kind of clearing out the neural pathways for everything.
Sometimes I'll get a little agitated and I'll just look at my wife and go, well, what do you want from me? I've got brain damage.
Yeah, it's great to get all the positives. It seems that people are a lot nicer to you when you're in a wheelchair.
Had my hand underneath the pillow and I was laying and I turned my head towards my hand and I let out a scream because I didn't know whose hand it was.
Yeah, when I first had my stroke, I thought for sure someone was underneath the sheet with me because I felt the leg, but it was my own left leg.
I call myself my own science experiment because I look how my brain works and doesn't work.
But lately I've been at that fine point of knowing that if I stop challenging myself that that's bad, but I also don't want any more frustration.
If you're looking for more deficits or more problems, you're going to find them. If you're not moving forward, you're going to be moving backward.
I don't think there's any value to taking away hope. So we try to each year on the stroke anniversary do something that sort of says, look how far we've come and thank you so much for everything.
The challenge with all of this is, since there really is no formula recipe that follows, you're really taking it one day at a time, and sometimes, even 1 hour at a time.
Like it's less about what you can't do and more about doing the things you can. Just the other day we were out somewhere and they were pushing me around in my wheelchair. And I said to Casey, my daughter, I said, when you're older, can you try to remember me playing catch and basketball with you rather than being in a wheelchair?
I have the next 15 years mapped out.
To hear the whole conversation, visit strokecast.com/wherearewenow or subscribe to Strokecast for free in your favorite podcast app so you never miss an episode.